Welcome to 330 Farmhouse Way here in SUNCADIA. This home is 5-bedroom, 5-bath, 3,418 square feet with a 2-car garage on a generous sized lot.
The thing I love about this home is the neighborhood that it sits in. Nelson Creek is one of my favorite neighborhoods. You got a seasonal creek here in the spring. Tons of wildlife are gonna come through here, and every home in here is beautiful. You guys are gonna love this one.
Trailside Homes put so many details into this property, from a huge accordion-style slider for seamless indoor-outdoor living, to a fire pit to luxury-level appliances throughout.
And back to this amazing neighborhood, you got the Eisenberg Trail just steps away. You can go all the way down to the river corridor, cut across the lodge. It is absolutely amazing. It's fall here in SUNCADIA, and we are at Nelson Farm. We got the historic barn right behind us. This is one of the coolest areas in SUNCADIA. The cows used to wander out here, come back. This is an old operational dairy farm that's now one of the best amenities in SUNCADIA.
And there's the pool right next door. There's axe throwing here, barbecues in the summer, even a drive-in theater. But the big exciting news that just happened and just got announced is a new pump track for BMX bikes. It's something that families and individuals will enjoy all summer long here at Nelson Farms at SUNCADIA, all walking distance to 330 Farmhouse Way.